Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Ford Ranger Bonnet easy method. Stand with the driver door open and locate the lever near the left kick panel. Pull it firmly until you hear a click. Then walk to the front and feel under the bonnet edge for the safety catch. Push the catch to release, lift the bonnet, and secure it with the support rod, or let the gas struts hold it. Start inside the cab with a calm, steady pull on the release lever until the bonnet pops open a few inches at the front. Next, move to the front of the truck and slide your fingers under the bonnet lip to locate the safety catch. Push or lift that catch while raising the bonnet with your other hand. Secure the bonnet by placing the support rod in its slot or confirm the gas struts hold it. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great shop companion because it plays step-by-step instructions and timers hands-free while you work. It also doubles as a casual soundtrack for the job. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Approach the front of the Ranger after the interior lever releases the bonnet partially. Slide your hand beneath the bonnet lip to find the secondary catch, then push or lift that catch while raising the bonnet with your other hand. Once open, secure the bonnet using the support rod or verify that gas struts are holding it safely, and always double-check stability before reaching into the engine bay to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.